Welcome to your Health Facts podcast. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of cooking oils, specifically those derived from seeds. You might be surprised to learn that these seemingly harmless ingredients, often lurking in our pantries, could be impacting our health in ways we hadn't considered.
Vegetable oils, often touted as heart-healthy choices, are predominantly seed oils extracted from crops like corn, soy, and canola. The journey from plant to bottle involves an extensive industrial process. These oils are subjected to high heat and extracted using hexane, a solvent also found in gasoline.
Wow.
This refining process, while increasing shelf life, strips away valuable nutrients, potentially leaving behind a product, with unintended consequences for our well-being.
What's striking is how prevalent these seed oils are in our modern diet. Think about it, they're found in countless processed foods, from your favorite snacks to baked goods. And let's not forget about deep frying, a cooking method, heavily reliant on seed oils. This means we're likely consuming a significant amount of these oils, perhaps without even realizing it.
Deep frying, particularly in seed oils, intensifies certain negative effects. Consider a donut being dipped into hot seed oil. This process forms sticky proteins called advanced glycation end products, or AGs. These AGs can disrupt normal bodily functions, potentially contributing to various health issues. This same reaction occurs when we deep fry other foods coated in starchy batters like chicken.
And it's not just the food itself that's a concern. Fast food restaurants known for their deep-fried menus often reuse seed oils repeatedly. This practice further amplifies the potential harm caused by these oils, leading to increased exposure to AGs and other detrimental compounds. What's even more surprising is that seed oils were never originally intended for human consumption.
Indeed, seed oils were not part of our ancestral diet. Their polyunsaturated fatty acids, while essential for plant life, have a different function in our bodies. These fatty acids are primarily designed to support cell membranes, not serve as our primary fuel source. When consumed excessively, these oils can potentially disrupt the delicate balance of our cell membranes. This disruption can even impact mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of our cells, leading to dysfunction that has been linked to various diseases.
And the potential consequences of consuming seed oils don't stop there. Emerging research suggests a connection between seed oil intake and insulin resistance. This can trigger a cascade of health issues, including fatty liver disease, obesity, heart disease, and even an increased risk of certain cancers. It's a stark reminder that what we consume can have a profound impact on our overall health.
The way we cook with seed oils can further compound the problem. Cooking at high heat, especially when deep frying, leads to oxidation of these oils. Think of it like metal rusting, but happening inside your body. While our bodies efficiently burn other fats for fuel, seed oils tend to accumulate in our systems, potentially clogging our cells and contributing to various health challenges.
So if we're trying to be mindful of our health, what are some better options, especially if we want to enjoy fried food occasionally? Let's explore some alternatives to seed oils in the next part of our deep dive. But first, quick word from our sponsor.
Fortunately, there are healthier alternatives available that can satisfy those crispy cravings without compromising your health. Avocado oil, coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, tallow, butter, and ghee all offer unique benefits and can be incorporated into your cooking routine.
That's quite a variety, it sounds like. We have plenty of options to choose from. Could you elaborate on some of the key differences between these healthier oils and why they might be preferable to seed oils?
Certainly. Avocado and olive oils are rich in monounsaturated fats, known for their stability and resistance to oxidation even at higher temperatures. This makes them suitable for various cooking methods from sautéing to baking. Coconut and palm oils, on the other hand, are composed primarily of saturated fats. Their molecular structure provides exceptional stability at high heat, making them excellent choices for stir-frying and deep frying.
So for those who enjoy the occasional indulgence of deep-fried foods, coconut or palm oil might be a better choice than the commonly used seed oils.
Precisely. And for those who prefer traditional animal fats, tallow and ghee are excellent options as well. Tallow rendered beef fat and ghee clarified butter have been used for centuries in various cuisines. They both possess a high smoke point, meaning they can withstand high heat without breaking down and forming harmful compounds.
It's fascinating to learn how the composition of these oils affects the performance in the kitchen. But even with these healthier alternatives, it seems wise to be mindful of cooking temperatures in general.
Absolutely. Minimizing high heat cooking is always a good practice, regardless of the type of oil you use. While these healthier options are more stable, excessive heat can still lead to some degree of oxidation. Embracing alternative cooking methods can further reduce your exposure to potentially harmful compounds.
What are some of these alternative cooking methods you would recommend?
Air frying has gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It requires little to no oil and utilizes circulating hot air to achieve that crispy texture we all love. It's a fantastic way to enjoy fried foods without the added fat and potential harm from heated oils.
That sounds like a game changer for health-conscious individuals who still crave those satisfying crunchy textures.
Another excellent alternative is stir frying. This method typically involves lower temperatures and uses less oil compared to deep frying. By using a good quality wok and employing proper techniques, you can create delicious and healthy meals while minimizing your reliance on excessive oil.
Wow, seems like we've uncovered a wealth of information about cooking oils and their impact on our health. From the surprising prevalence of seed oils in our modern diet to the fascinating alternatives available, this deep dive has certainly given me a new perspective on what I use in my kitchen.
Choosing the right cooking oils and adopting healthier cooking practices are just a few steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's about making informed choices that align with your individual needs and preferences.
Thank you for guiding us through this complex topic. For our listeners who want to continue exploring the world of healthy living, we encourage you to visit yourhealthfacts.com for more insights and resources.